Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're out at the canal. It is flooded right now. Really cloudy out, high winds, probably gonna rain tonight, so probably low barometric pressure, which should have these fish kind of fired up. We've got a black Chopo on and a green pumpkin swim jig, and we're gonna try to catch some fish. Sorry I haven't been posting lately. Haven't been able to get out and go fishing very much. It's a backlash on my first cast, but since it's so cloudy out, I have a black Chopo. I wanted to throw a buzz bait, but I was like, it's gonna be, I don't have a kind of buzz bait that I want. I have a black one, which is my favorite color of buzz bait for in here, but I have a clacker one, the Booyah one, and I don't like the clacker ones in here. It's just not my style. Caught. It's really light. The weather's been really weird recently. It should be cold this time of year, but it's pretty warm. Like, it's been like only getting down into the 60s, like high 50s, and that's at night. And then during the day it's like 70 degrees. So I think these fish might be thinking it's pre-spawn right now. But I don't know. Bait, I've lost 2 baits that way. Oh my god, that's a 6-pounder. I just seen a 6-pounder jump. Oh my god, there's no way. That was a 6-pounder that I just seen jump. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude, that thing was huge. He came clear out of the water. Oh my god. Come on. Oh my god. Oh, that terrified me for a second. I set the hook on him and my line got stuck in a rock. And I thought that I had the biggest fish in the world. There we go, little guy. Tore a hole in his mouth. First fish of the day. Whew. When I set the hook on him, my line went behind a rock. That was a horrible cast. Oh my god. I didn't even know I had a fish. You're gonna be like one of them. Nope, you gotta chill out so I can unhook you. Chill out, chill out. There we go. Half pounder. Didn't even know I had a fish. Just saw my line running and I thought I had like a rock or something. Second fish of the day. Second fish off of the rocks today. Come on. Third fish. Holy moly. Oh, he's heavy. He's heavy. Third fish of the day. 2 casts in a row. In the same spot. Like, literally brought it right through there again and he bit it. He bit it. I think they like the crankbait. So if I can get bit again on it, then I'm gonna leave the swim jig here and just take the crankbait, and I'm gonna walk down there with just the crankbait because there's rocks down there, and with the high water, I think they'll bite it. I think there's gonna be more fish on the rocks down there as well. That was the third fish. I caught 3 fish on these rocks. Dude, the rocks are such in here are so good. That's another one. Oh my god, number 4. Dude, that's 4 fish off of the rocks. Can y'all see that? Good. There we go, that's that. There we go. 4th fish of the day. Oh my god, dude. 4 fish off of the rocks. That's kind of crazy if you ask me. I might have to go run back and grab the pliers, because if I hook a fish, then, you know. Let's see if I can get bit again. Like rip-rap rocks, but you know. Ah, that was a bad cast. So, come on. What the heck? Freaking hook got tangled up in my line. That would have been a perfect cast. But, come on. Alright, so, what I was saying is, from what I know, from fishing here, is there's a bunch of rocks right here that come out into the water. And the fish have been on the rocks. So, maybe there's fish on these rocks, which there is, and I just got hooked in the hat. Right as I was pulling my crankbait out of the water. One hit it. There we go. That's a nicer one, I think. Nope, that's a smaller one. Well, that is number 5 off the rocks. Number 4 on the crankbait. Number 5 of the day. 5th fish on hard structure. Yeah. 4th fish on a crankbait. I thought he was just heavy because I think I had him in some grass. There we go. That's a he needs to lay down. This fish needs to lay down. Lay down, please. Lay down, please. Lay down, please. Lay down, please. There we go. 6th fish of the day. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe. Hi, cat. Sorry I haven't been posting recently. It's been pretty rough fishing. Haven't been able to get out as much. The cat wants to say, oh, no we don't. And I've been having a lot of schoolwork, so that's why I haven't been posting recently. And yeah, hopefully. Oh my gosh, this cat wants pets. But hopefully I'll be able to get out more soon and be able to make more videos. Got a tournament on Rayburn this weekend. Hopefully we can do good in that. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.